Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable recent files in Windows 10. Type group policy in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click User Configuration. Click Administrative Templates. Click Start menu and taskbar. Click and open Do Not Keep History of recently opened documents. Click Enabled. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.